How to start dropshipping in 2025. First thing that you need to do is to pick your niche. You will need to choose a product category that's trending, solves a problem, and has a good profit margin. If you are unsure about your niche, then you can simply Google it, type in dropshipping niche, and you will see a lot of results. Among those results, you can pick any of these. Before picking, make sure that you do enough research. Second one is find trustworthy suppliers. You can partner with suppliers who ship quickly, maintain quality, and have a reliable track order. You can also use Shopify, which is a very popular dropshipping business brand. Then you will need to build your online store, where Shopify can really help. Set up your store on Shopify, WooCommerce, or TikTok Shop. Now it's time to shape your brand. Design a logo, choose colors, create a memorable store name, and craft a consistent brand voice to build trust with customers. Figure out your finances by calculating product cost, shipping, and potential profit. Make it official by registering your business, which is really important. Once everything is done, promote your store. Use TikTok, social media marketing to market the product. That's all for today. Thank you.